your hands up and let's do it. All of you at the back too. Alright. Let's do this together. Alright, for the third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon. For all the runners out there, wishing the best. Alright. Right to the back. Alright. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. And then you have the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to congratulate Sohra. We'd like to express a sincere gratitude to the Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, to Shakti and Henry. We also would like to acknowledge right now the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of East Hassan District. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Madam Rebecca Mary Kurma. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, please. Fantastic. On behalf of the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, on behalf of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, on behalf of the Meghalaya Athletics Association, on behalf of Meghalaya Tourism, we welcome each and every one of you. We pray for you and we wish you well as you compete in this year's 21 program right here. So we are beginning with the three runners, men and women. Once again, a humble request as you see around, we will go here to kindly make sure that you let them run for the birthday. We might just catch up with them. Let's bring them for the ladies first. Alright, and then of course we'll be followed by men. Alright, right now I hand over the mic for Ma'am Kurma to try and share a word to each and every one of you before we have the flag off.
A very good morning to all of you. Thank you, Nick. On this a very important day for all the athletes present here. I wish you all the best. And your spirit of participation is highly appreciated, and we know that you put in a lot. With this, I wish you all the best, but I just want to give you a thing, Aiza, because please do not go away from that, just stand over there. Otherwise, it will not cover. This is the rubber. You can see here. Every one of you has to stand on this. If not, then it's not recorded. So it doesn't matter whether you're the first or the last there, your starting point will be recorded, okay? So please do not push. Thank you so much.
Alright, we're going to do this on the count of 3, alright? So hold on, everybody. Hold your horses, hold your horses, please. Hold your horses, you have to wait for my ball. Alright? So this is the countdown for the elite runners, men and women, at the third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon. Kick starting right about now on the count of 3, 2, 1. Woo! All the best, each and every one of you. Make it happy with you and try to run. Have a safe run and bring the finish line. Welcome to Sohra, and have a good one, everybody. Have a good one.